I got something new to show you, except it's not that new, but it's just that good. We have the Vikingbags Ironborn Blade 25-inch Sissy Bar. That's going to be replacing our old Sissy Bar. We also have this awesome Sissy Bar pad with the black and chrome hardware. And last but not least, we have the Vikingbags 32-liter Trident Sissy Bar bag. This thing is sweet. Let's go ahead and remove the old Sissy Bar and install the new setup altogether. First things first, seat comes off so we can actually get to everything. I'm pulling the saddlebags off real quick. Unhooking them from the strut mounts and sliding them off gives you way more room to work. This is the old Sissy Bar coming off. Just undo the existing hardware and slide it out. Nothing complicated here. This is the Ironborn Blade 25-inch Sissy Bar from Vikingbags. It comes with the bar itself, 4 mounting bolts, and 4 plastic washers. Everything you need to bolt it straight on. I added Loctite to the provided hardware, then started with 1 bolt on each side just to hold it in place. Once it's aligned, you can throw the rest of the bolts in and lock everything down evenly. After that, it's just reassembly, bags go back on, reconnect, seat back in, and the seat bolt goes on last. The pad install is quick. Loosen the pre-installed brackets, slide it over the bar, and tighten it back down. It also comes with chrome hardware for you chrome lovers. This is a 32-liter Trident Sissy Bar bag. Plenty of space, multiple pockets, solid structure. It's built to actually carry stuff, not just look good. Even has a separate compartment for shoes, which is honestly pretty clutch. It can also be worn as a backpack, and when you're mounting it to the bike, the straps tuck away clean so nothing's flapping around. These buckles are what secure it to the Sissy Bar. Super straightforward and solid once you're cinched down. I mounted it to the foldable luggage rack here, but you can also run it on top of the seat if that works better for your setup. This is why I didn't change the Sissy Bar, because it just works. Add the pad for comfort, the bag for storage, and you've got a setup that actually makes sense. Alright, and there you have it. That's how you install the Ironborn Blade 25-inch Sissy Bar, the Sissy Bar pad, and the Trident 32-liter bag from Viking Bags on your motorcycle. Let me know what you think in the comments below.